Hi guys, somebody's sleeping in the back. I've got something ideal to wake her up, though I don't have batteries unfortunately. I thought it's one of those welding masks that I ordered a month ago, but no, it's a pair of crazy alarm clocks which I ordered on 1st of April, April Fools. Today we've got Friday the 13th and the package arrived. Already opened, because as you can see it's been opened by the customs authorities, so I had to check if it's complete. So let's start off with this one. As you can see, we've got something like a helicopter. The idea is that when the alarm clock is activated, this top piece starts spinning, flies away, and you need to find it, replace it in the base for alarm clock to stop. As for the other one, this one's a bit more fun. You've got two independent wheels. Once the alarm clock starts working, these spin at random, sometimes going forward, sometimes backwards, so it starts flying around your room, spinning, hiding under the furniture. So great motivation to wake up. Once we get home, I hopefully will find some batteries. I'll show you how they actually work. So that's it for today. Be sure to share, like, subscribe. You'll find the links below where you can buy these, and be sure to watch tomorrow. So we're going to Krakow to see Cirque du Soleil. I've read the regulations. You're not allowed to use professional photo equipment, but you are allowed to use cell phones. So maybe we'll run a live or a movie afterwards. The Cirque du Soleil shows are incredible. We've already seen one 2 years ago in Wrocław. So we've got front row tickets for this one in Krakow, now going with the kids. It's gonna be a fun day. So cheers and see you tomorrow. Okay, so we can do the official unboxing now. Which one should we start with? Flying alarm clock. Time really does fly. We have this sphere element. Propeller. The base. So it looks that we need to install this sphere and the propeller on top. Two, three, four, five. 5 AA batteries. So now we just need to wait. And now we'll replace this and see if it shuts off. Works. Okay. So now let's see the other one. This one even has a printed manual. Okay, and this one uses 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so you get the idea how this works. I guess the kids were gonna love it. So, thought it's gonna be fun, but as you can see, the wheel fell off. In the movies, in the advertisement, they show you this clock running around the whole room, jumping off furniture. This is the effect of it jumping off a kitchen table. The wheel clearly broke off. I thought it's designed so it falls off and you can replace it, but as you can see, there's definitely some cracking there on the bushing, so it's not gonna be that easy to replace it back and get it working again. So this is definitely to be put someplace next to the bed on the floor, not on the cupboard. So if you're gonna buy one of these, I would recommend you get this one, which is more foolproof. This one's fun for its behavior and running away and the sounds it's making, but as you can see, it breaks quite easily. Hacked.